The red tide back and forth. This map just released from FWC showing that Hurricane Michael providing some relief in southern beaches, but farther north on our coast, that is not the case. Jake Peterson standing by live on Anna Maria Island tonight. Jake, what are the fishermen noticing out there?
Well, fishermen here at the Cortez Fishing Village say that it's like a switch was flipped after Michael. They say right here near their fishing village, the water is clear and there's no odor in the air. Families are returning to the waters near Anna Maria Island.
When'd you get here? Yesterday.
These folks from Indiana almost canceled due to red tide. They're glad they didn't.
I knew eventually it had to give up.
Cortez Fishing Village Captain Kathy Fannin says this is the first week she's noticed no symptoms of red tide.
The water's clear, the critters are back, the sand dollars are fine, blue crabs are really crawling in the bay, and everybody's happy.
2 months ago, we were in the same exact spot in Sarasota Bay, and there were dead fish everywhere. Now the water is clear, and you can breathe just fine. FWC maps showing Manatee County is in the clear, with the bloom nearly gone from the waters of Anna Maria Island. FWC scientists say Michael pushed the bloom north, so some parts of Pinellas County are still seeing medium levels of red tide near St. Pete Beach.
I'm not seeing any dead fish.
Captain Fannin is hopeful the winds will continue to move the bloom offshore and away from our area.
It's Michael. It has picked up. The water's all cleared up. You know, it's the one thing we were hoping for in Michael. Being that far offshore, we was hoping it was enough to blast this red tide out of here.
And back here live, scientists with FWC tell us that it appeared that some red tide was starting to hit the panhandle just before Michael, but they're not able to get in there to test those waters until after the cleanup effort. Reporting live on Anna Maria Island, Jake Peterson, ABC Action News.